Hello and welcome to the final module, Module 12, the end of semester module for EDCI 570. And this will become available on April 1st and be available the rest of the semester, the final month and a half of the semester. So let me share my screen. And you are looking at Module 12, the end of the semester. Photo is one I took in southern Elmore County, south of Mountain Home, southwest of Twin Falls. That's looking to the south towards northern Nevada, the Idaho-Nevada state line. So let's go through here. You're watching the introduction now. So the assignments, you're going to post an end of course reflection. And to guide this, there are 3 questions that I pose. What is the most important knowledge that you learned or skill you developed from the course? What is the most important unanswered question you have following the completion of the course? And the third one is how will you use the knowledge learned and skills developed in your professional practice? So for this one, it's worth 15 points. And the students, you are not expected to respond to the other reflected commentaries for this one. This one is just post your thoughts on these questions and you'll be good to go. Get back in. So you'll also, by May 1st, submit your literature review assignment. And also remember that that is a peer review, and I will be sending out the partner assignments in early April. Then complete quiz number 12, which is 5 open-ended questions. And this will be published for you all on April 1st. But it's it's 5 open-ended questions. What is the most valuable thing that you learned in the course? What was your favorite part of the course? What was your least favorite part of the course? What do you feel could be done to improve the course? And is there anything you feel was not covered in depth that you would like to see covered in the future? And this will help me as I plan for the next time that the course is offered. And there will also be a University of Idaho online evaluation survey that you complete online, and a link for that will be sent from the U of I. That's usually done second half of April, early May for the course. All course assignments must be submitted by midnight on May 7th. Couple things as you look at the end of the semester, the annotated bibliography is due April 1st. Let's see here, get in here. April 1st is the annotated bibliography. Then there will be the lit review, and your draft will be due to your partner April 20th. Then the review of your partner's paper due back to your partner and submitted to me April 27th. And the final draft, I said May 1, it's May 4th. May 4th is when that is due. If you have any questions about any of the assignments, do not hesitate to let me know. If you are missing points that you submitted, please let me know. I'll look at it and get the points that you've earned, get those submitted. And one last thing on the reflections, except for the final one, with the 3 questions, on all other module reflected commentaries, there needs to be 2 responses to another student's or my reflected commentary for that chapter. And as I said, and I'll reiterate, if you have any questions, let me know. And as we get here toward the end of the semester, thanks again for taking the course. It's been a great semester. I've enjoyed watching as you've improved with your scholarly writing and enjoyed conversations with many of you throughout the semester. And I appreciate all that you've done to improve as we've gone through the course. And again, thank you for taking the course. Thank you for going through the University of Idaho for your graduate work. There are many choices out there. You chose the University of Idaho, and for that, myself, the College of Education, Health, and Human Sciences, and the University of Idaho are grateful. Take care, and like I said, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to let me know.